Hey y'all, it's Sharla from the Hartsel Homestead, and I'm so excited to get into this month's Faith Art Box Hidden Treasures from Creative Retreat Kits. These elements are beautiful and so versatile. The stencil in this kit is a fantastic layering element. Danielle has already posted a reel demonstrating how to use it, and I will be creating an entry with it, maybe two, maybe more. But today I'm taking inspiration from the back of our kit study folder, and I'm going to use those beautiful, kind of just that, like a field of flowers on a yellow background. It's really, really pretty artwork. I am just going to be recreating it in my margin as a simple backdrop to my title. And you may be thinking, that card is the size of a quick devotional, not a study, but let me assure you, it is rich in content with His Word and packed full of so many wonderful points to study and ponder. Jan Cookson has written our study this month, and it is absolutely wonderful. I'm looking forward to breaking it down into nuggets to work through all month long. Today I'm recording my takeaway in Psalm 139 and 17. Jan teaches us that God delights to hide spiritual treasures in our hearts so that we can know Him more deeply. And one way to know Him more is studying His Word. She says there are 66 books of the Bible offering us more than a lifetime supply to learn and use. Memorizing its verses makes His thoughts boundlessly available to guide our lives. So, to know Him more is to study His Word and carry it with us daily. Such a wonderful reminder and note of encouragement here. Now, some quick notes for building my simple entry. I just used a blending brush and the Pigment ink Yield from Creative Retreat Kits to lay down a nice layer of color. Then I topped that with some teal and blue flowers using Mermaid teal and Waterfall blue, alternating them all around the margin on top of this yellow. Now, they don't have to be stamped out perfectly, and I'm using that kit stamp, some great stamps in this kit. And they don't have to be perfect because I'm just wanting it to mimic that watercolor beautiful artwork from the back of that folder. My title is created using kit stickers also here, and it's going to read, "My heart is called to know you." Just a simple reminder that God draws us to Him for fellowship because He loves us and wants to reveal more of Himself to us so that we can walk closer to Him daily. I have really enjoyed being here with you today and hope you join us for this month's creative study, Hidden Treasures. It's early in the month, so grab up a kit. You can do physical or digital or both. They're all great options, and there'll be links below to the shop. Y'all have a blessed day.